Okay, Mr. Brian, wannabe mechanic, we did nothing to this carburetor. It is not leaking. Only got 3 cones right there. Start and idle mixture here is absolutely perfect. That's federal standards right there, Mr. Brian, wannabe. About 12 to 1. AFB to kicking together, kicking in perfect in the back. She comes right back to 12. I always shut it off and start it. I don't know what you expect. The carburetor is absolutely flawless. Perfect. Perfect in every way. Simply because you got the proper fuel pressure. All in your head and all in your dumb mechanics.